Womaninji. My name's Justin, that's Wooyal just there, and we're out here again in the Moondara Forest on Gunai land. Now, Wooyal, is there a reason you've got me out here playing the didgeridoo on the log amongst all these flies? I know they're kind of tasty for you, but they're pretty annoying for me. There's a book you want to show me. Well, can you point it out because I can't see it? No, up, but, oh, how didn't I see that there? Okay, thanks Wooyal. Thank You Rain. It's written by Sally Morgan and illustrated by Johnny Warrkatja Malibirr. Now, Wooyal, I'm really getting annoyed by these flies, so I'm going to find a better place to sit down and read this, okay? I'll leave you to it. See you, mate. Found a nice spot by these ancient ferns, ready to find out what happens in Thank You Rain. Look, the sky's changing. Rain is coming in. Pitter patter. Raindrops are falling on treetops. Birds are singing in the rain. Splish splosh. Raindrops are wetting dry earth. Wild flowers are blooming in the rain. Drip, drop. Raindrops are making muddy puddles. Kangaroos are playing in the rain. Plink, plonk. Raindrops are filling creek beds. Animals are drinking in the rain. Look, the sky's changing. A rainbow is coming in. I am dancing with happiness. Thank You Rain. And that was Thank You Rain, written by Sally Morgan and illustrated by Johnny Warrkatja Malibirr. And now that it's not raining here anymore, I'm wondering what happened to Wooyal. I actually think I saw him in the back of the book. Yep, there he is. Wooyal, what are you doing in there? Well, it's sunny out here too now, so do you want to use your magic and head out of the book and we'll go home? Yeah, cool. I'll see you soon, mate. Well, thanks for coming out on country and reading Thank You Rain with me and Wooyal, but I really do think we need to head off home before it starts raining again. Until next time, Yarrabee.